Biasa itu lewat mana ya BTW? Kalau lewat sini kali ya guys. Ambil dulu nggak sih nyet? Body of repair. Bandana guys. Ini buat siapa ya? Wah nurunin nih. Apa nurunin guys? Na 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 na. Like so bright and like so bare. Call me ice cream. There is something there. Could it be the much talk about guardian of the cave? Sana, step back. Don't worry about me. I can help. It's coming. Waduh, ular nih bro. Ular apa kelabang ya? Gokil. Urobolus. Hmm, 30 loh. Racun kah guys? Iya deh kayak racun. Oh my god. Coba ya guys. Kita bakar. Ayo. 38 boleh. Aduh, racun guys. Aduh, gak kena ya guys. Bakar lagi gak sih? Cuma 6. Ayo guys, kenain lah. Alah, gak kena mulu dah. Kita bakar lagi nggak sih guys? Habisin aja lah ya. Cuma 6. Sakit sih guys. Apa sih? Diracun semua nih. Kok cabut guys? Ini aja deh, gua heal aja deh. Guys, pasin. Miss. Ini bisa gak? Oh, nggak bisa. Kayaknya sih ini deh. Berarti lo pakai ini aja. Harus 12 doang aja. Lu kena racun nih. Aduh. Lu bisa nyerang sih. Lu nge-heal deh. Nah, lu pakai Sparknet. Ayo sini cepet guys. Set 96. Nah, turun lagi. Let's go. We did it. Kurang kenceng gak sih guys? Kurang kenceng gua. Ya, ditinggal sendiri anjing. Culik dia pasti. Masih hidup itu. Ya, bener. Ih, ngapa nih? Mustikanya bereaksi. Wih, mukanya jelas loh. Kenapa nggak dari tadi aja? Kocak. Wargot amulet. Naik gak sih? Wah, mereka naik levelnya. What's on earth happened? I don't know. Anyway, we are safe. We should think about how to get out of here, kata dia. It will be fine when we get to Bell. I think. Kita cek dulu, kena poison nggak? Aman. Kena lagi, cok. Yuk, kita let's go. Aduh, udah kuning lagi guys. Merah nih. Aduh, ada musuh nih guys. Bentar, ini gua suruh defense dulu deh biar nahan. Aduh, nggak kepencet guys. Halo Gengar. Aduh, gak guna deh bro. Iya udah tahu, udah tahu. Udah kelihatan. Nah, 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 nah. Aduh, gak mati guys. Alah, di happy recover lagi. Gak jelas banget. Let's go. Speeding cave. Aduh, gak pas lagi. Aduh, gas lagi. Setai, apa tuh setai? Kami es krim. Gonna die. Nih, orang lu tulisnya begitu. Ih, yang tipe lu, yang marah lu nggak jelas. Demi demi hantu belang. Oh ya, gue belum lihat ini vertikal apa horizontal gue streamnya guys. BT juga kalau vertikal. Nah, bentar gue cek dulu. Oh enggak, aman guys. Keciri ngerokok, iyalah. Streaming santai bro. Ngerokok, ngopi, sambil gawe, sambil streaming, lucu juga. Kami es krim, save dulu nggak sih? Save dulu. Kalau keluar jalur tuh save dulu. Let's go. Darahnya mokat tuh. Ini bisa kasih nggak? Ini bel. It's a call me ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Kumis hitam, paru-paru pun hitam. Wah, emang tahu dari mana lu? Justru tuh kalau ini, kalau apa? Kayak orang kena COVID gitu-gitu kan paru-parunya bukan hitam, putih guys. Rokok juga putih tahu. Buset, ini satu damage dong. Itu kalau dibunuh oke. Oh iya itu guys. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Yes. Enter. You know what I'm saying? Bang sepi amat, mau rame mau bakar rumah noh. Soalnya penonton gue udah pada tua, jadi mungkin ditontonnya replaynya malam. Yang ini, yang nonton sekarang tuh rata-rata ya anak sekolah. Sama anak-anak ini paling beban keluarga. Oh, don't move. It will be done soon. Don't move. Kita dilukis. Sukses sebagai beban keluarga. Nah, bukan gue yang ngomong ya. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream chili. Yes, here you go. Potato Flappits. Gue gak dikasih. Isn't a little too handsome? Terlalu ganteng katanya. I don't think so. Terus nanti batuk loh. Nggak juga sih. Kayak orang ini loh, orang tua zaman dulu, tau gak sih lo? Apa-apa nyalain es. Kalau nggak ngerokok. Orang sakitnya sakit perut, ngerokok disalahin. Kalau nggak minum es ini. Ada item kah di sini maybe? Kita nggak bisa kesini ya. Real bang, ya iyalah. Mak gue juga begitu, tapi setelah didebat beberapa kali, akhirnya mak gue juga mikir, iya ya, kenapa ya mikirnya kayak gitu orang dulu? Gitu mak gue. Ini pasti ada sesuatu yang tersembunyi nih. Ice cream chili. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Nggak ada nih, nggak ada apa-apa guys. Buat apa gue kesini anjir? Andaps, apaan andaps? Ansap. Ya, nggak apa-apa. Gila nyolong duit orang. Gue kan nggak pernah minta orang subscribe kan. Kalau mau ansep ya nggak apa-apa. Kan gue udah bilang tujuan gue di sini tuh streaming, ya udah main game. Syukur-syukur gue ditolongin menyelesaikan game ini gitu. Gitu aja gue main game. Kayak game gue nggak segmented kan, game gue orang-orang yang ngerti doang. Es krim chili. Tempat sep nih. Ini tuh orang jualan nih kayaknya. Spirit. Spirit apa guys? Coba kita beli ya. Good spirit. Dapat apa guys? Good spirit. Oh iya, gue dapat wargat ya. Main Super Street Soccer. Aduh. Nantilah. Gue nggak terlalu suka game itu kan. Butterstone X from Psych Pitch Victor. Anjay. Turu dulu nggak sih? Murah banget, 10 gold doang. Stay one night. Ke heal dong harusnya. Dah, save dulu. Sini ada sesuatu kah? Maybe, no. Nah. Ini kayak FF7 ya. Rata-rata RPG PS1 begitu. Kalau ada tempat save harus nge-save sih. Takut nanti nggak ketemu. Kecuali darurat baru pakai ini dah. Terus tapi harus pasti biar coklat. Jelas lu. Kita ini ke rumah-rumah dulu aja kali ya. Gue suka asal jarum coklat. Wih, itu mah tumpul bro. Lu suka ditusuk jarum yang coklat ya? Enggak yang terang ya? Kotor tuh nggak pernah dibersihin berarti. Nah. Jarum coklat itu kan suka ada ini kan yang rumba apa? Yang keriting-keritingnya itu kan. Spear Frost. Wah anjir keren banget guys. Main Purify. Ini boleh sih beli 2 guys. 3 deh. 3. Bang kenapa suka rokok? Nggak tahu. Dulu tuh gue kalau ngerokok tuh karena ini stres sih. Kalau dulu di 1 lah, 2 deh biar sama, 3 deh. Sel. Ini gue juga. Increase rate for attacking all by 20%. Broadsword kayaknya udah gak aku pakai ya guys. Apa simpen dulu aja ya? Ntar jadi jualnya kalau udah penuh. Jadi keren malah paru-parunya jadi hitam. Ya itu kan ini. Salah inilah terserah lu lah. Sama aja kayak gini, open nih guys. Sama aja kayak, bang kenapa lu makan daging gitu. Sama aja guys kayak gitu. Jadi ya itu mah masing-masing. Konsekuensinya ya iya. Makan daging baik kan emang juga punya anak. Kenapa lu makan temen? Padahal temen lu punya temen juga. Ayo gitu aja. Emang manusia tuh puncak rantai makanan, apa aja dimakan. Mau gimana juga sulit. Cek satu-satu kotanya ya. Ini juga RPG bro. Gua makan kecoa, nopik hoak. Kalau nggak ada gambaran nggak percaya gue. Mampus lu, ntar harus buktiin lu makan kecoa dulu baru gue percaya. Face Commander Viv. Ini udah ketelan ya, cari lagi lah. Nggak ada buktinya mah nggak percaya gue. Kan kecoa nggak cuma satu, banyak di dunia ini. Ada kecoa burun, gimana kirim fotonya bang? Kan lu follow TikTok gua, lu follow ini kan. Ntar ini guys, tungguin aja YouTube bakal jadi kayak Facebook. Bisa ini ngepost di YouTube orang. Tapi kayak di Indonesia belum ada. Ini di rumah gue sedikit ya. Ya udah berarti gue belum percaya sampai lu inilah. Nggak bisa kayak gitu bro. Zaman sekarang nggak ada bukti nggak bisa. Jadi harus dibuktikan dulu. Hoak tuh. Kata dia hoak tuh. Anjir ini ada senjata kah guys? Apa tadi? Spear. Wah senjata bro. Tadi gue dapat apa ya? Dapat apa guys? Tadi gue dapat apa? Pencet anjing. Na 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 na. Nggak ada guys. Tadi dapat spear kayaknya. Iya nggak sih? Dapat spear nggak sih guys? Na 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 na. Nih, sebelah ada dua guys. Beli armor dulu gak sih? Kayaknya kudu grinding nih. Salah. PPM kasih apa? Pokoknya gua lah. Nah, bahasa shop udah dapet gratisan gue. Yes. Scale armor. Kok nggak mirip kocak. Foto gua. Taruh leather jacket. Oh, ini udah guys, salad. Poison guard, panic guard, stun guard, breath free. Ini oke sih, naik shield. Status fear. Ini aja deh gue ini. Dah cukup. Gue jual gak sih guys? Salah. Clutch jual. Bracelet jual ya. Jual aja deh. Gue ada scale armor. Tar dulu guys. Oh shit, apakah gue ini? Oh enggak guys. Gue beli favorit abang apa? Film Jepang. Belum Thailand sih. Gue suka nonton bareng gitu sama temen gue. Kalau lagi nongkrong. Aduh, nggak bisa. Ini the best menurut gue. Gue nggak suka sama Cina filmnya. Siapa ini aja bocah? Perpus nih. Asik naik. Bang, baca buku bang. Oh, aku mau turun dulu tuh. Gimana nggak jadi beban keluarga? Turu anjing pagi-pagi, siang-siang. Ya udah nggak apa-apa, tur aja tur. Halo, klinik, klinik bro. Canda bang, ya nggak apa-apa, tur juga. Kenapa? Mana nyalahin? Ih, bisa kesini bro. Anjir, dimandiin cara nyembuhinnya coy, ngeri juga. Takut. Melamun meratapi nasib, ngapain lu melamun, mending lu melakukan sesuatu. Kalau dia lamunin mah nggak bakal ada habisnya. Wih, nyampe juga nih bro. Wih, apa ini? Kuda. Kuda bro. Sebelum penasaran gimana? Ya, lu malah nantangin begitu-gituan, lu ntar kesurupan atau gue nedai gimana lu? Saya latihan bro. Ini ke atas ya? Oh, I see. I see. P doang. Dikira BBM. When did you come back? So care banget sama gua anjir. Mbak, cepetan deh kalau mau jalan deh, Mbak. Saya nggak bisa lewat. Ini tempat tidur gak sih, guys? Bisa gak sih? Oh, ada peti, guys. Gila, mengutisme gue tuh masih tinggi ya. Kalau main RPG tuh, mengutisme gue itu OP ya, skill mengutisme itu. Adakah bang minggir bang. Hanya indah banget sumpah, indah bener, indah bener. Fokusin lagi bang, gak apa-apa kesurupan, nggak pernah. Bapak gue pernah tapi. Oh itu ada peti, gimana cara ngambilnya ya? Active ring, apa itu? Active ring. Avoid abnormal status dispariting. Skip deh. Kita harus jadi kuat ya, tolong. Bukan untuk menghindari rasa sakit. Kita tuh ini, rasa sakit tuh membuat kita menjadi lebih kuat. Asik. Jangan menghindari rasa sakit lah. Poison, stun, paralyze segala macem. Paralyze sama stun sama aja ya sih. 100G lumayan bro. Terus kita ke atas ini ya. Sik, mari kita bertemu raja. Asik. Your Majesty, I'm the head of the first knighthood, Lapis Labert. Aku amu, apaan sih? Aku amu minum racun supaya tambah kuat. Itu sih lebih ke tolol. Your Majesty, it's more than I deserve. It was true. His Majesty was so dismayed that he couldn't see to his affairs of state. Oh, Noish, please don't tease me. Lapis is a friend from my childhood, as well as a master of martial art. Anyway, where have you been? Dari mana aja katanya? After my first knighthood was wiped out, I was captured by Sandora and held against my will in Helena prison. What in Helena? However, thanks to the act of this young man, I managed to break out. Let me introduce these people to you, Dart and Sana. They are from Celes. I thank you for saving Levitz. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I in gratitude for this. Tell me if you need anything. I have a favor to ask. Is it possible to take care of Sana in this castle? What? It seems Imperial Sandora attacked Celes to take Sana away, so they could go after Sana anytime. And when I think of it, is that the reason you brought me here? Sana, I can't walk next to Dart. I have been working towards that. There is nothing we can do about but the time we were apart. But I want to be with you forever. Oh my God. Sangat sweet. Unfortunately, you cannot leave her here. Imperial Sandora obtained the force called the Dragon and went on the offensive. We are holding the battle line in Hwax. Nama kota Hwax. But if the dragon can fly at low altitude and directly attack the castle, we cannot defend it even with the high ramparts. There is no place safe in Serdio now. Besides, you do know how she feels about you, don't you? Sana, it may be even more dangerous from now on. I don't mind as long as I can be with you, Dart. Ay, gila. Sweet banget. Well, I take back the request, but one more thing, I would like to ask a question to Minister Noise. Ask me anything, son. My head is filled with all the legend and history of the continent of Andinus. I was on a journey to pursue the Black Monster. The Black Monster? The Big Black Monster. BBM. Big Black Monster. The monster that attacked Nit 18 years ago. The only thing I know is that he deprived me of my parents and my hometown. You were a victim of the devil. I want to hear everything. Please tell me about it. There is hardly any information left. Everything that was related to him was reduced to ashes. I said. The only thing I know is the black monster is called the devil that disobeyed the great existence, and it is also known for devouring the god. Devouring the god? Yes, and surprisingly, it saw up in history beginning 1100 years ago. 11,000 years ago is the time the dragon campaign ended. You're exactly right, Your Majesty. Instead, I will tell you the story of the Dragon Campaign. Asik. Seru nih kayak gini-gini guys. Ceritanya nih.
As if they were gods, Winglies ruled over
Let's go,
all
dengerin ya.
creatures and used them as slaves. The enslaved suffered a terrible domination and injustice. Their anger turned to a flame of fury. Then a gust of wind blew throughout the lands, spreading the flame to a blazing fire. The wind was Emperor Diaz. 7 incarnations of dragons served the Emperor. Their bravery inspired people to take up arms. Thus began the Dragon Campaign. It was a harsh war. Both people and Winglies suffered countless injuries and fatalities. After a long period of suffering,
Keren ya,
it was the
buat
humans
game PS1.
who wired the future. The age of humans had begun.
The Black Monster appeared after the Dragon Campaign. Ada apa nih? Excuse me, sir. It's time for the war meeting. I see. Tell them we will come soon. Itu siapa ya di belakang itu ya? Serem banget itu guys, pakai baju hitam. Darth Sana. This war will be a particularly harsh one for those who know longer have a home to return to. The castle is very quiet now. It is the best place to think about your future. But this is our first time in a castle. Well, there is a place with a great view next to this room. So enjoy yourself. The view from the castle I see. Please excuse me. Oh my god, dia kemana tuh? She is so hasty. So hasty. Please excuse me too. Ikutin dia kah gua? Asik. Wih, indah banget ya. Wah, buat thumbnail lucu guys. From here, we can see all of Basil. Might we even be able to see Celes? Celes is over the mountain. Besides, we cannot see it anyway because we are so far. I hope everybody is safe. I'm sure they are okay. Ya diganggu anjir ada orang ketiga. Yes, they are. According to the brief by my side, most of the people in the village are safe. Really? I'm relieved to hear that. But it will take time to rebuild the village. Still good. I can meet everybody again. But we have bad news. Sandra is now readying itself to attack us. They are planning to use the dragon for the offensive on Hoax. Wah, pengen nyerang pakai naga tuh. A dragon? If they release that monster in the battle, it will be total genocide. Genosida. Our role as the knighthood is to stop it. I'm heading to Hoax now. Maintaining the battle line will determine the future of Basil. Apa dia mau ikut? I have lived only for myself. I believe it was something I had to complete by myself, even if I had to leave Sana and the people of the village behind. But when I came back, look at this. I almost lost my hometown again. Love it. I am going to Hoax with you. I don't want to see any more senseless bloodshed. What about the Black Monster? We have to end the war first. Gokil! Once Dart makes up his mind, he never changes it. Of course, I'm going to. I cannot stand the war either. I can fight too. You guys. Everything is determined. And now we have to prepare. Then let's go to the bell now. There are item shop, weapon shop, and my home. Please meet my mother. She will be happy because she hasn't had a guest for a while. Di mana guys rumahnya? Kita ke rumah ini nih. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Sini ada map gak sih? Pusing gua guys. Terlalu kecil gitu loh ruangannya. Ice cream chili. Mana ya guys? Ini item. Ini item udah gue beli. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Ini rumah siapa nih? Ini rumah. Bukan. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Ini apa guys? Nggak bisa lewat. Di mana rumahnya dia guys? Coba. Ini bukan rumahnya kan? Ini bukan. Stop dulu guys. Di sini gak sih ini tempat set itu? Oh bukan guys. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Salah. Kenapa gue masuk lagi? Ini rumah biru, rumah apa guys maksudnya? Ini tempat jual item ya? Gue belum pernah kesini. Ini rumah ini kan? Pasti. Waduh, bener. Mom, I'm home. Oh, Lafitz, it's Lafitz. I was worried because I didn't hear from you for a long time. Sandora's resistance was stronger than I thought. But don't worry, we defeated him. Your late father would be proud to hear that. Lafitz, what about Helena? Don't mention that to her. Sorry, but I don't want her to be worried. I don't know what he is talking about. Well, fine, I'm already happy just having you come home, but... Apa nih? You brought a bride with you, my big baby. Mom, she's not. Oh, don't be shy, what's your name? Oh, disangka pacarnya coy. Sana, my son is a little awkward and stubborn, but he is very sweet natured. Ini apa ya? Good luck sana nggak sih? Gue pengen tahu gitu guys, lucunya. Ender's girlfriend, oh gitu. Boleh. Gue lebih senang itu sih. What's going on? Once my mom gets an idea into her head, that's the end. That's the only way we can. Just find somebody like her so that I can hold my grandchild in my arms. You are not a child anymore. Yeah, I know, I know. And you'll stay here today, honey? Gak mau, itu cewek gua bro. Mau diambil aja. Gua mau jawab itu boy. So I have to leave as soon as oh well and understand. But you can have at least lunch, can't you? It will be ready soon, honey. I'll give you a hand. Oh, there no need. But then again, maybe. My pleasure. Well, what should we do till lunch? Apakah ada harta di sini? Nggak ada guys. Udah langsung aja lah ya. This is the first time I've been in the huge house. Terus kita disuruh kemana? Pasti ada event lagi nih. Oh ini tuh. Pas away, kasian banget. Semua weak point. What are you doing? Katanya. From here. Kenapa ini ke atas guys? I saw you my treasure. Treasure. Here is my treasure. Just take a look at it. Apa nih harta karunnya dia? Wah, cuman indah ya. I see. It's a nice view of Indel's castle from here. This is what I saw every day when I was young. I grew up think I will be an admired knight just like my father, and I will protect this country. Your dream came true. Yes, but the reality was much harder than I imagined back then. I feel all the more strongly now great my father was. To protect this country, I will tear the flesh from my body. It's the same passion you have towards Sana. I just can't hold back because you know the importance of Sana life. You can raise your own. You were not a foolish daredevil when you ventured into Helena. Sergio is covered in war clothes. No, you are the only one who can protect Sana. You know that, don't you? Yeah. Darth Lapis, the food is ready. Well, the princess need us. Princess, she is like a baby sister to me. As always, your meal are delicious, mom. It's such a nice thing to hear, but I will be even happier if you settle down with a bride soon. Dia mau nikah, disuruh nikah mulu bro. That sana we need to buy something before we leave. Let's go. Nah, gue udah belanja kan? Gue udah belanja bro. Ini kemana ya guys? Kuda bro. Tempat kuda-kuda nih. Nggak bisa keluar. Aduh, kenapa gue masuk lagi coy? Ice cream, ice cream, ice. Itu ada kayak jalanan ke atas guys. Tadi dulu. Lewat mana itu guys? Kira kandang tadi deh. Ice cream, ice cream, ice. Kita ekspor dulu lah ya. Lewat mana itu guys? Aduh, gak bisa guys. Penasaran gue, itu ada jalan guys. Gak ada kok. Lewat mana itu berarti? Kalau kesini kemana? Oh, kayak ke sini deh. Lewat sini deh kayaknya. Oh my god, serem amat nih. As well as the wishing stone, as the name implies, it is believed to fulfill the wish of the person who gets it. Nggak ada apa-apa. Es krim chili. Oh, ini tempat set guys.